we welcome Avionga Mulipola Lemalu Teofilo, CEO of the Ministry of Customs. Sir, very big welcome back to see Jane. And also I see Grant at the back there from Australian Federal Police. We see in the back also Tupu. I also see at the back there Sophia. So a very big... Only 2 months ago, you didn't know each other. You didn't know everyone in this room. You knew people from your own agency, maybe. You belong in leadership. And on behalf of all partners and the cheer squad, we want you to know how enormously proud we are of all of you. And we congratulate you today, and we are here to celebrate you. Congratulations, everyone. Please take your seats.
Ministry of Customs, and of course all of our participants, mentors and organisers of the PWPDP 2026. It is a real pleasure to be here today on behalf of the Australian High Commission. I did tell supporting gender equality and women's leadership has been a bit of a through line of my career to date, which is why I was so excited to be part of the PWPDP this year. My first job in the public service was supporting implementation of women's rights. And now in Samoa, I have worked really closely with Papa Lee when she was in the police force here, with Fonoti and with other women leaders, to establish the Women in Security and Enforcement Network, which I understand you had a speed dating networking session with. Our WISE network, which is such a fitting name for it, is really important to me, and I am so glad to welcome you all as members, and we'll see you at the next networking event. I expect all of you to be here. And so women's leadership and women's empowerment has remained a passion of mine. I am so deeply proud that I've been able to work alongside women like Inspector Michelle Bond to continue this work in Samoa. Michelle is also a bit of a mum to me, so I'm glad that's a nickname.
Oh, yes.
She's one of the amazing women leaders that I have learnt from in my career to date. Probably and Fonoti and 2 others. There are too many to name. And now each of you will be as well. Since seeing you last Thursday evening at the High Commissioner's residence, I have heard about how incredible your week has been. I've loved watching the photos this morning. Some great shots, always with these ones, of course. RMIT University and the...
Let me tell you, each of the 30 participants are here today because your agency sees something, and we're so honoured that you're here to witness graduation. Please welcome Acting Commissioner, I'm going to say it right, Leotawa. Thank you so much for being here.
English is my second language, but I try my best. Tarafalava and Bonquit, leading together with purpose, is particularly relevant throughout this in your respective agency. You are future leaders, problem solvers, decision makers, and agents of change. Before I sit down, you know, the whole world is changed, even in the Pacific Island. A lot of crimes happen, and we need to update ourselves. So coming together, like what I witnessed this afternoon, it will give a positive sign to the government that we are proactive. I encourage you to take the knowledge and skills and relationship you have gained through this program back to your workplace. Apply what you have learned, inspire those around you, and continue striving for excellence. Most importantly, be the positive change that Samoa needs. The decision you make today will help shape a stronger and safer Samoa for future generations. Congratulations once again on your achievement, and I wish every success in your future leadership journey. While I'm still have my chance here, let me explain what happened now. You know, the Vietnamese case, without the task force, police cannot do by themselves. And the task force was included Attorney General, Customs, Immigration, and Central Bank. So the changing of environment nowadays, police cannot do this job alone. Customs cannot do this job alone. We have a lot of
security, police, corrections, and immigration working together. We have had many immigration officers.
The program today, to join you today as we celebrate the successful completion of the professional development program. Crime, irregular migration, people smuggling, cyber-enabled threats, or biosecurity risks, these do not operate within organizational boundaries. Every success in your leadership journey ahead. Pastor Mayamani.
So that national agencies can benefit. Has it been worthwhile?
Yes.
We love you, Unstoppable Bond 007 Mark.
Colleagues as well, my dear WISE and PWPDP alumni. They require leaders who are adaptable, curious, collaborative, and willing to step forward when it matters most. Ends when someone decides to lead. Every better future begins. Australian High Commission, thank you for your support, your generosity, and being willing to be part of this and to support
Something themselves. And we would love to have time for all 30 to speak. But instead this morning, I'm Rita.
Us for fostering us invaluable professional networks. I'm thinking of what to say and how I can say this. Because words cannot describe how we feel. To believe in ourselves and see our potential, to think big and think bigger, not to wait and lead from where we are today and every day. We gather with nothing, but our cups overflows with wisdom and knowledge. Your vision, mentorship, and unwavering belief in our potential have empowered us to step up. You brought us together to share and to bond, to lead with confidence and grow both personally and professionally. For that, we thank you and move forward for a better Samoa and a better region. Because you believe, and BDP fellow, former CEO of Customs, Lau Fionga Funati, Talek Tupu, Lia Taefu, as well as La Fionga Lalatawa Sofia Laifayolo, being women at the decision-making table. With that, my graduates, my sisters,
both encouraging us to do our videos and assignments, and during our future conversation, especially our face-to-face session here in Samoa.
You've got around 30 seconds, Tab, for your team, just to share a little insight into what happened this morning and your message about cooperation. So we welcome you forward now.
Tend to move in different directions. That's what we experienced when we were starting off this course. We had different expectations and influence into allies, and our mindsets will be wrong and negative at all times, discouraging us to contribute. But when we work together and collaboratively,
Thank you so much for that beautiful analogy of paddling and cooperation. That will stay with all of us. Everyone, we've reached a really important part of the ceremony again, and that is, it's time to present your certificates. Today, to all of our partners in this room, we will share this with you after the ceremony, because the commitment statement has been authored by all of the women in this room in terms of their next step, because today is really the first step. As we step forward, you have committed to lead together with purpose, to be future ready, to be people-centered leaders. This is your roadmap. It's your next steps, and we will always follow you to see the steps that you're taking. No escape is what I'm really saying. But we believe in you, and we can't wait to see your next steps. Today, to witness your graduation, our dear partners are going to step forward. And we're going to invite each of you forward to receive your certificate. And we're going to have a cheer squad cheering for you as you go. It will be fast-paced, but I'd love to invite all of our partners to please come forward to the front now. So please come forward. You guys are people are going to stand, and let's get started. Now, I'm going to ask, actually, maybe our ladies to come and just move around here. Come and stand over here like a cheer squad so that you're ready. First up is Sival. Sival from Costa. Next is Shona. Now we have Farina. Next is Chu. Now, Jolene. And now it's Tab. Oh, sorry. Let's cheer for Josie. And now Lope. Now Lupe. And now City. A big cheer for Tala. Next, a big cheer for Al, everyone. And now to our two dear mentors on this program, already PWPDP graduates. First we come to Alice. Thank you, Alice. Our next mentor, Liata. We shift now to biosecurity. First is Napanua. Now we come to also biosecurity Pi. Now we shift to police. I know the acting commissioner will know all your names, but I'm just going to call them out just in case. So, Lily. Please give a big cheer for Pele. Now it's Rita. Please give a big cheer for Lay. Heka, it's your turn. Dear Sui, it's your turn. Please, dear We now shift to corrections. Two outstanding officers, starting with Celia. Over to you. Big cheers. Next is Epo. go. Please welcome the And now we go to invitation. Please give a big cheer for Nesse. Now, please wait for just a moment, because the first year in our 20-year history of transnational security training for RMIT University, in partnership with the Australian Government, we have had a position of PWPDP Fellow. This is a really special title to those who have had long-term engagement with our programs, who bring massive intellect and willingness to cooperate and collaborate. We have been honoured to welcome you as our PWPDP Fellow. We have learned from you, our dear sister, mentor, friend, ambassador for national security. You have been alongside Michelle in initiating this program. You'll always be our PWPDP sister. Today we honour you, dear Fenati. A very big cheer. To remain at the front, I understand. We are honoured to have you back here today, and we thank you for representing Customs. So we have a large contingent of Customs women in this program. What an honour it's been to learn from them. You're leading a fine agency, and I welcome you for it. I think you've got something to do now, is that right? Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Master of Ceremony, for the opportunity to speak here today. I'm very sorry this is not part of the program. I'm assuming I can't speak Samoan, so I don't know. Anyway, yeah, aloha vale, congratulations to all of you. Aloha now, Paulo, if you have so tell you to look so chiefly graduate. You don't know if it's all you it's not part of the speech, but thank you for it. I'll make it short and brief. Promise you. Straight out, embassy, Second Secretary, there is a key, Son, Commissioner, representing the CEO of embassy as well, Michelle Brown, First Secretary, MC and facilitators study adults and make up further. Fiona from P, my predecessor, as you all know, she has laid the groundwork for me and made my job easier. After P, really acknowledge him and hopefully sometime we catch up. Eventually, it's not not a speech, as I say. In Samoan culture, I would then not speak Samoan. If I go to Franklin, I go to just want to reciprocate the love that you have done giving us for representing our industry. We gratitude to like to present a very just a goodwill and appreciation of what we have done for all of us here. This is from the contestants. We create a contestant platform, not only for us, but we will include all of us here. But all of this, because Aston is part of the Samoan government, so all of us are Samoan government. So on that note, I'd like to invite the CEO of Customs, if she could the gift for our facilitators. The first one I would like to present to you. Thank you very much.
Samoan dress too. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. It's so beautiful. From my heart, thank you. Thank you very much, Too Good. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. What an honor. Thank you. Stay with me, Too Good. It's beautiful. I will treasure this as a beautiful memory of Samoa. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Mic here, please. Sorry, mic. Yeah, the third one is for Queen Nui.
You get to be photographed now, Gwen.
And the last one is for Hami Nui.
It's hard to say, isn't it? It sounds like you're presenting to yourself.
Sorry.
Me, there she is.
I apologize for it. Thank you. I promised to make it brief, so that's the brief one. Thank you very much again on behalf of our minister, who's not here at Parliament. He passes love and all his blessings. Congratulations as well. And likewise, congratulations again. We might join you later to celebrate your graduation later. Thank you. Bye.
We now have something very special. Another special thing. And that is, I told you earlier that we wouldn't have speeches from every one of the 30 women, but I lied. Actually, we won't have a speech because I see Simon's face at the back of the room like 30 speeches. Instead, we put it all into a 3-minute video. Are you ready to hear all of the women's voices in a very short video? I think we need a bit of a drum roll around the room. We'll close the curtains. Michelle, would you like tissues now? Oh, Michelle's got the tissues, everyone. That's a good thing. And I'd like to pass over now because this is our gift from all of the participants to the program supporters, to AVF, to the Samoan partners, the Australian High Commission, and all of the cheerleaders. We see you, AFP, PFC, PT, Triple. This is the gift from the participants to you. Over to you. Thank you, Queen.
Samoa national security environment is rapidly changing.
Don't worry, we're going to start
in
again.
Samoa and those.
Great, you start We get to see it from the beginning again, and Jolene's our first speaker. Almost. Are you feeling excited? Yes! Me too. We love it. We love it. Here we go.
Samoa national security environment is rapidly changing. Transnational crime and security risks are growing in Samoa and the Pacific. No single agency can address these challenges alone. More than ever before, we need each other because together we are stronger. We are all emerging leaders, and we are proud to serve our national security agencies.
We represent Customs, Immigration, Biosecurity, Police, and Corrections.
We are working together to protect our nation, our borders, and our communities.
We know leadership is not defined by position.
Leadership is a choice. We choose to lead now.
We are ready.
Through the PWPDP, we have transformed our mindsets.
Our ideas matter. Our voices matter.
Our actions matter.
We are ready to innovate and adapt.
We are ready for future challenges and opportunities.
We are ready to step up because we belong in leadership. We are courageous and curious.
We are calm, clear, confident, and compassionate.
We are resilient.
We are ready to influence positive change.
Together we are stronger.
You say yes to collaboration.
We are ready to exchange information and intelligence. We are building strong connection and supporting each other through our shared mission. Trust is our secret weapon. We are one.
We will not give up.
We know that change starts with us.
And it starts now. So what are we waiting for? Let's go!
What happens now? As former Prime Minister, what happens now? As former Prime Minister Fiame said when she was here with us on Monday morning, leadership is a choice. Have you chosen leadership?
Yes.
We see it. We see that you've chosen leadership. Not only that, we see you are ready. We cannot wait for your next steps. And what better way to start our next steps this morning than by inviting Misty to come forward and lead us in prayer. So as we start our next steps, Misty, we are so honoured that you will join us today to start us with prayer. Thank you, Misty.
Dear Heavenly Father, as we come to end our ceremony this evening, with our hearts full of gratitude, we ask Thee to please bless each and every one of us on our way home. Please, Heavenly Father, please guide us on our way home. Bless our facilitators, our mentors, and all of us. And we humbly say all these things in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Misty. Thank you.